Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The adverse impact of a faulty vehicle fuel system. The negative effects of a defective or over-choking vehicle fuel system can be detrimental to both the vehicle's performance and the environment. When a fuel system is not functioning properly, it can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, engine misfires, and even potential safety hazards. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which a faulty fuel system can impact your vehicle and why it's crucial to address these issues promptly. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Understanding these negative effects can help you take proactive measures to maintain a well-functioning fuel system and avoid potential problems down the road. Understanding a defective fuel system. When a vehicle's fuel system is defective, it can lead to a range of negative effects, impacting the performance and safety of the vehicle. Common causes of fuel system defects include corrosion, contamination, and worn-out components. Signs of a defective fuel system can manifest in various ways, such as engine misfires, stalling, reduced fuel efficiency, and unusual noises during operation. Common causes of fuel system defects. Corrosion in the fuel lines and fuel tank due to the presence of moisture and impurities can lead to contamination from dirt, rust, or debris in the fuel can clog filters and injectors, disrupting the fuel delivery process and affecting engine performance. Worn-out fuel pumps or fuel injectors may struggle to maintain the required fuel pressure, leading to inadequate fuel delivery to the engine. Signs of a defective fuel system. Engine misfires or hesitation during acceleration can indicate fuel delivery issues affecting the combustion process. Stalling or difficulty starting the vehicle may be attributed to reduced fuel efficiency characterized by a noticeable decrease in miles per gallon, could signal fuel system inefficiencies. Unusual noises such as whining or grinding from the fuel pump or fuel tank may indicate wear or damage within the system. Negative effects of a defective fuel system. In an automobile, the fuel system plays a critical role in its overall performance and environmental impact. When the fuel system is defective, it can lead to a myriad of issues that not only affect the vehicle but also the environment and safety of the occupants. Engine performance issues. A defective fuel system can cause engine performance issues such as stalling, rough idling, and decreased power. When the fuel system fails to deliver the proper amount of fuel to the engine, it can result in misfires and poor acceleration. These issues not only affect the driving experience but also lead to potential long-term damage to the engine. Increased fuel consumption. Another negative effect of a defective fuel system is increased fuel consumption. When the fuel system is not operating efficiently, the engine may require more fuel to perform the same tasks, resulting in decreased fuel economy. This not only leads to higher expenses for the vehicle owner, but also hurts the environment due to the increased carbon emissions. Environmental impact. A defective fuel system can have a significant environmental impact. Increased fuel consumption leads to higher emissions of greenhouse gases, contributing to air pollution and environmental degradation. Moreover, fuel leaks from a defective system can contaminate soil and water sources, posing a threat to ecosystems and public health. Safety hazards. Beyond the performance and environmental implications, a defective fuel system can also pose safety hazards. Fuel leaks can create a fire hazard, especially in the event of a collision. Additionally, engine performance issues resulting from a defective fuel system can compromise the vehicle's ability to respond swiftly to changing road conditions, increasing the risk of accidents. By understanding the negative effects of a defective fuel system, vehicle owners can prioritize regular maintenance and prompt repairs to mitigate these risks and ensure optimal performance, efficiency, and safety. The dangers of overchocking a vehicle fuel system. Explanation of overchocking. When a vehicle's fuel system is overchocked, it means that an excessively rich air-fuel mixture is being delivered to the engine. This happens when there is an imbalance between the amount of air and fuel being supplied to the engine. Essentially, there is too much fuel and not enough air for proper combustion. Effects on engine and emission systems. Overchocking a vehicle's fuel system can have detrimental effects on both the engine and emission systems. Excessive fuel can lead to incomplete combustion, causing a buildup of carbon deposits in the engine. This can result in decreased engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential damage to engine components. Additionally, the unburned fuel can lead to increased emissions of harmful pollutants, negatively impacting the environment and contributing to air pollution. Impact on vehicle safety. In addition to the negative effects on engine performance and emissions, overchocking a vehicle's fuel system can also impact safety. An overchocked engine may experience issues such as rough idling, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration, all of which can compromise the safe operation of the vehicle. Furthermore, if the excessive fuel causes engine components to become fouled or damaged, it could pose a safety risk for the driver and passengers, especially during critical driving situations. Addressing and repairing fuel system issues. Before you find yourself dealing with the negative effects of a defective or overchoking vehicle fuel system, it's crucial to address and repair any fuel system issues. Here are the key steps to take to ensure the health and proper functioning of your vehicle's fuel system. Regular maintenance for prevention. Regular maintenance is the first line of defense in preventing fuel system issues. Simple tasks, such as changing the fuel filter at recommended intervals, ensuring the fuel cap is tightly sealed, and using quality fuel can go a long way in maintaining the health of your vehicle's fuel system. Additionally, monitoring for any signs of leaks or unusual fuel smells and addressing them promptly can help prevent more serious issues from arising. Seeking professional assistance. When it comes to diagnosing and repairing fuel system issues, seeking professional assistance is often the best course of action. A qualified mechanic can conduct comprehensive fuel system diagnostics, utilizing specialized equipment to pinpoint the root of the problem. Whether it's a clogged fuel injector, a faulty fuel pump, or a deteriorating fuel line, a professional can provide the expertise and precision needed to address and repair the issue effectively. By staying proactive with regular maintenance and enlisting the help of professionals when needed, you can ensure that your vehicle's fuel system remains in optimal condition, minimizing the risk of negative effects on its performance and longevity. In summary, it's crucial to address any defects or overchoking in a vehicle's fuel system promptly to avoid negative consequences. The impact of a malfunctioning fuel system can result in decreased fuel efficiency, engine misfires, and even potential safety hazards. Regular maintenance and immediate attention to any warning signs can help ensure a properly functioning fuel system, ultimately contributing to a safer and more efficient driving experience. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.